Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you the top 5 adorable Iabedi Valentine's Day gifts for kids. So at the top one is the Two Sisters Valentine bath bombs, and this is for kids who love bubble bath. And these bath bombs are wonderful for the kid who loves bath bombs and squishies. And every bath bomb has a surprise squishy inside for them to treasure after a bath time is done. These come in a cute package, and for parents these won't stain the tub, so no need to worry about any cleanups. The second one that I wanted to mention is the Uncommon Goods Sensory Play Potions, and this is for kids who love slimes. This kit is unique gift for a child who loves witchy vibes and slimes. Positive affirmations are included for each potion, and they are perfect for sweet Valentine's gift. The third one that I wanted to mention is the Gund Pushing Plush, and this is for kids who love big stuffed animal collection. Pushing needs no need to introduction to convince anyone for her cuteness. This is a perfect gift for a little oat lover, and a teddy bear comes in addition to the round Pushing Plush. Soft and huggable, this is a great 2-for-1 gifts. The fourth one is the Lego Icons Wildflower Bouquet set, and this is for kids who love building Legos and more. And the Lego Icons is gorgeous Lego pieces that will last a long time. Best for a kid who loves Legos, and this can be something that you both can enjoy together. It has adjustable stems that will make a spectacular wildflower pieces that's unique and beautiful. The last one is the M&M's Teddy Bear gift box, and this is for the chocolate lovers. And this gift has everything Valentine's Day wrapped up in one. A teddy bear shaped box filled with the chocolate in colors of your choice will delight any kid in your life. Best of all, the M&Ms will be personalized with the photos and phrases of your choice. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.